Hello there, I'm Supreet aka Supa and you're watching Supa Word of the Day. Today's word is a suggestion by one of the viewers. So thank you Aman for this one. The word is exactitude. Exactitude, which means exact in its nature. So wherever you'd use words like accuracy or preciseness, you can use exactitude as well. Basically, it's just another word of saying exactness. So exactness and exactitude are quite interchangeable. Examples पे आते हैं. Symptoms of coronavirus cannot be listed with exactitude. मतलब सबको exactly यही symptoms हो ये कहना मुश्किल है. किसी को सर्दी और बुखार है तो किसी को shivering या फिर loss of taste and smell. तो ये एक accurate statement नहीं बनती. The project was carried out with great exactitude. मतलब precision के साथ या फिर शुद्धता के साथ ये project किया गया जिसमें कोई गलती नहीं थी. Ashish's hard work and exactitude got him the promotion. मतलब exactitude एक अच्छी quality है. The quality of being exact or precise. और इसी quality की वजह से आशीष को promotion मिली. I hope I have succeeded in explaining this word with exactitude and that you shall try using it in a sentence too. Please do subscribe to SUPAbility by Supreet Bedi if you haven't already done so that I can bring you some more super words to enhance your vocabulary. Also, please do like, share and comment if you learned something new today. See you soon. Stay safe, stay smart, stay blessed.